Hi, welcome back to RTC. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your PIN on Windows 11 PC. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to get you update on our latest video upload. So let's start. Right-click Windows icon and click Settings. Now on the left panel, click Accounts. Then click Sign In Options. Then click PIN. Here, if you forgot your PIN, click Forgot My PIN. A new window will pop up, and then just click Continue. So to change your PIN, simply click the Change PIN button. First it will ask you to enter your old PIN. Next, enter your desired PIN, then re-enter your new PIN. You can also include text and symbols on your new PIN. Just click Include Letters and Symbols, and click OK. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.